Welcome to Kente TV. My name is Benedict, aka Karanaza, and this is Street Vox. On today's episode of Street Vox, we'll be asking the people what are the attributes that a person must have to become a successful president in Ghana. Let's get interactive.
Oh, that's a good president there. Right now, there. Me, if you know anything, you forget your factories down. Your factories for the work every time. Your companies, so that if you get the factories, your people, your citizen people go get work to do because you open the factories. They were the
So
factory.
basically, what you want us to say, if I be competent, if I know what he want to do, if I know what he want to do.
Yeah.
All right. Boss, my name is Ben. What be your name?
Prince.
Prince. All right. Question of the day. What do you think are the attributes that a president should have in order to be a good president, basically?
The attributes a president should have.
Yeah.
Let's see. Okay, I feel like he should listen to the voice of the people. Like he should take the voices of the people very seriously. And I also feel like he should how do you say? He should focus more on like incorporating one thing at a time instead of like widespread policies.
So basically, if there's a policy like maybe one district, one down, or one district, one factory, or something like that, maybe he should finish with that before he moves to another project.
Exactly.
Okay, that is what you're saying.
Yeah.
All right. So and then the second one was he should listen to the people.
Yeah.
So you feel like we are not being listened to enough?
Not really, no.
We are not being listened to.
No, there are so many complaints around. Like, honestly, let's say even at the district level or let's say the MPs like this, I feel like they should have things like suggestion boxes at vantage points so that like, okay, if you have a problem with this, you can just go and put your problem down. They check the problems and they address the most important first. Like, hope you get me.
All right. Boss, my name is Ben. What be your name?
Derek, but people call me Sparty GH.
Sparty GH. It be so. All right, Sparty GH. I beg the question of the day be: what should they feel like be some attributes a good president should have?
Somebody who can, control everybody, not somebody who has to take decisions from other people, right? Like our system, for instance, it's like we have some people who are dictating to the president, which shouldn't be that case, but rather the president has to be overall. He has to take some decisions that are pivotal to the development of the country. That is how a good president should behave.
All right, that is that the only attribute you.
Yeah, and then somebody that has, the ability to develop the resources that we have here by converting it into something that will benefit the entire nation. Right. Yeah, that one is also.
So you should be well versed enough to make sure
manage the resources that the country is having.
My name is Ben. What be your name?
Christian.
Christian. Today, the question of the day is: what are the attributes a good president should have?
He should be truthful. Truthful.
He should be.
Truthful.
Oh, can you explain what you mean by he should be truthful?
Yeah, because people want to become presidents, they go around campaigning and talking about things they will do about it. But when they come into power, they don't fulfill their which they normally tell us that we should vote for them, that will come and do, like the one district, one factory that the president promised us, which we are not seeing any improvement in it.
Okay, so basically what you're saying is they shouldn't say things that they cannot do.
Yeah. They should say what they can do.
So these were the opinions of the people on the street. Let us know your opinion in the comment section down below. Please take time to comment because your opinions really matter. They really do. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel, hit the notification button, like, and please comment. Until next time.